I tell people I've got ladies in my group, and the look I get, they've really been a great group. They take their time, they ask questions, they really get into it. They don't stand back, and that's what makes me proud of them.
And they're almost like a team.
We're like the Three Musketeers and we're always laughing and we're really comfortable with each other.
The ladies bonded first day. They really bonded. These mature ladies want to do their own carpentry work at home.
We're all starting at the same level, like we don't know anything, but we're learning so much already.
It's only week 3, so anything could happen. I'm really grateful that it's a pre-apprenticeship course, just to have that ease of entry to, and I guess for younger people too, to try it out.
We're up against the guys, so to speak, and we're nailing it.
Yeah, absolutely.
A pun.
Oh, very good.
I've seen the whole group really improve over the 8 weeks, with their hand tools, and then we progressed onto power tools, which, they've never used power tools. So they're using a miter saw, compound saw, a circular saw, and then it leads to how we communicate on our site, how we draw plans, and then what we'd be doing out in the workforce.
I was actually looking into this course for my 20-year-old son. He bailed out and I thought, I really want to do this.
Our 10-week course is very diverse. We have students from 16 all the way up to our oldest student has been 67.
And I think being older, we're not as shy as the young boys, so we're trying to draw them out and encourage them to ask questions.
They're the 3 main ones that will always bring something up and how do you do this or how do you do that and why do we do it this way and why do we do it that way? And I'm more than happy to answer those questions.
I'm a homeowner and our home needs recladding, so I'm hoping the skills that we're learning here is going to help us reclad our own home and save a ton of money in the process.
I'm very thrilled with it because I've always been passionate about renovating and doing it part-time. It was a stress relief from the corporate world, so this has just enhanced it. Love the challenge of it.
The feeling's great, it's just great. And what I've seen in the past is they've come back as apprentices.
It's given them the skills to progress. They do their Cert 2, then they come back as an apprentice. Then we've got current students doing their Cert 4 and diploma, so that they're actually going to then get their builder's licence and become actual domestic builders.
Well, I'm working on renovating a little apartment in Collingwood and I'm trying to get these 2 on board to help me out.
I do upcycle furniture and just using tools here has given me more confidence to be able to continue, even get free stuff that's really broken down and I can repair it. And I'm going to start buying tools, which my husband doesn't like.
And they walk away, they're proud as punch because they've actually finished their Cert 2 and they're going, right, we're ready for the next step.
Now is the right time for us to utilise both our backgrounds.
Yep.
Maybe for us to build our own business.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Upcycling.
Upcycling and flipping.
Yeah.
For business, you want to be very secure in who your business partner is, and I trust Christiane 100%. So I just think we've got the right qualities that complement each other, and we've got the same vision.
Yeah, I'm really sad that it is ending because it's given me a purpose. I'm waking up every morning and I'm really happy, and I'm thinking, what are we going to learn today?
Yeah.
What kind of fun are we going to have? What kind of tools are we going to mess with today?
Mess with on.
It is sad, because it's over. Obviously, it's got to come to an end. But hopefully we do see him back. Hopefully next year they've enrolled themselves here at Chisholm or someone's taken them on as an apprentice.
So we're sad that it's ending, but we would like to pursue something else within Chisholm to progress to the next levels.
You can see them in their face, they go, oh, I really get this. Now it makes sense. And I look back and go, awesome, I've done my job. I've actually made a difference to these students. Hopefully they'll carry that through the rest of their life.